Good afternoon, good morning, or good evening. My name is Nolan Terry. I am a junior technician here at Ticketmaster. I have been with Ticketmaster for about 2 years now. I have a background in tech support, cybersecurity, and marketing. And today I will be discussing the process of identifying and fixing customers' complaints. Okay, so our overview. I am going to discuss our recent changes, the current situation that we're having, and also our problem statement. Just relevant research on the topic, proposed research tasks, the schedule of how we'll plan to follow out those tasks, my qualifications. We're going to discuss the budget. Then we're going to give a project summary and benefits, meaning how these tasks would help benefit our company. Then I will open the floor for any questions that you guys may have. Okay, there are quite a few changes. Some changes are pretty obvious, like the updated search bar on our website. The search bar needed to be more visible and more, in your face, if you will, without causing a distraction. So we decided to center it and keep it centered throughout the website, no matter what page a customer is on. Another change that we made that is not as obvious to you guys as it may be for customers is a survey. So you probably haven't had the option to take a survey unless you are an employee and a customer. This was added to get anonymous feedback to improve our web page. Another change that was kind of under the radar that you guys may haven't noticed or anything, or probably wouldn't notice, which be our search functionality. We decided to update the search functionality to fill in the gaps between human errors and the information the customer is searching for. We know people make mistakes. We all make mistakes. Sometimes customers don't know exactly what they're looking for. Just have a bit of an idea. So we kind of wanted to, get a team together and help update the search functionality to sort of bridge the gap. So next we will discuss our current situation that we're facing here at Ticketmaster. The current situation is that our customers are unable to get the information that is needed. This is one of our biggest problems because they come to our website and to get information to make decisions. So without the proper information or being able to get to the needed information, they can't make those decisions. Some issues also include loss of data, the web page not populating, or getting directed to the wrong web page. All of this falls back on search functionality and some on broken links. I plan to continue to improve our search functionality, which will help solve the problem with broken links as well. However, we are putting together a team that will audit and test links to make sure they can bridge the gaps to those. The next on the agenda is research topics. Here I have a few quotes that I've sourced out. They are quotes from different resources. I'm going to go ahead and read the first one. The first one is the first step will be to identify the audience for surveys to determine the targeted population. We will need first to include demographic questions. This will ensure that we survey people that will best represent our customers. This quote came from Online Surveys 2021. The next one is we will create a survey that is brief and has a mix of questions. Keeping the survey brief will help us make sure our customers complete the survey. The question will need to be clear, unbiased, non-leading, and to the point, with only realistic answers as possibilities. This came from Terhustus in 2016. Okay, and just the effect of a good web design on a company. Bottom line is that it will save them thousands of dollars, and depending on the type of company, it could generate more money. For example, the more effective a web page is, the less customer call-ins we will have. This will save our company in time and money because we would have to pay someone to answer those questions. It would increase our labor cost. A company can address the concerns by adding a FAQ sheet and a form for questions. The task to clear the form queue could be spread out throughout the company, and assignments could be spread through teams or a person to tackle them each day. For us right now, our surveys are going out through email. We really won't have to have um, anyone, going out and, reaching out to the customers like, hey, we have a survey for you, or, just bugging the customer. We actually only allow our customers, people who've actually purchased things through our website, we only allow them to get the survey. It's going to be emailed directly to them, you know, and they have an option to opt out of it or not. Let's discuss the proposed research topic. Okay. The first thing we would like to set up is a survey to send our customers via email. This will be a few questions that will help us improve processes and functions. The survey would also help us understand our site visitors and learn more about their needs. As I mentioned, it will only be sent out to customers. It's not going to be sent out to everyone that visits our website, but it will be sent out to anybody who actually puts their email in. And then next, we're going to discuss improved search functionalities. Improving search functionalities by improving the SEO, making our system more user friendly, and recognizing human errors. We will also like to fix the broken links, and we are creating a team right now that will help with that. This team will identify the common mistakes that people make while searching on our website and create a better research experience based on information collected. We would like to have them up and running within the next few weeks, leading to my next proposed research task. I know you're all wondering about the time frame and schedule. I've outlined it in the next slide. So, task one, and task one will be executed on November 15th. That's going to be our survey release. The survey will be released in random and small batches over the next few weeks, but we plan to send them out on a larger scale coming soon. So, November 15th is when we're going to start sending them out just in small batches. And then as things we gauge and see how things are working out, we'll then go ahead and send them out in a larger batch, but they will be randomized. We don't have any specific order that we're going to send them out to our customers. We're just going to randomize them and then just go from there. The search bar update and placement will be updated on our site on November the 20th. We've made a bit of a change on there, but not too drastic. We tried changing the shading of the search font, but that's the only thing we did so far. But it's gonna be scheduled to be completed on November the 20th. The software update that will be ready on November the 25th. This task has been outsourced to save us time and just workforce within our company. The company Soft Trust has assured us that the software will be up and prepared for launch on November 25th. And task 4 would be to outsource for auditors. The team that will fix the broken links and handle our audits will be selected on November the 30th. This team may also be outsourced, but we will check internally and try to provide an update by Friday afternoon. Qualifications. Okay, web designing has always been my area of focus throughout my entire career. I've also dealt with graphic designing. That's also been my area of focus and also has been my specialty. That helped me, create web layouts that our customers will find easy to use. During my time at Ticketmaster, I've been able to provide feedback to senior web developers that has been useful. My expertise makes me an ideal candidate for this project. Budget. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and discuss the budget. Okay. The budget is pretty simple, pretty black and white. The software, so we're gonna just start there. The cost of the initial software is gonna be about $5,000. And in addition to the $5,000 initial cost, there will be a $500 monthly maintenance cost. That we'll pay to a third party to just maintain our software, maintain our keep everything up to date on our website. The web design package, the third party web design package costs roughly $2,000, and the monthly auditor's fee will be about $300 per month. That's going to cover our auditors. That's going to go ahead and fix our broken links. It's going to improve our search functionality. And a plethora of other things that we were going to delegate to them, but we just haven't decided yet. We want to try to keep a few things internal. Again, that update will come on Friday. The labor cost for employees overtime would be in a total of 1,700. There will be about 750 for Michael, 325 for Nolan, and about 625 for Angelica. That's just going to cover our labor costs for now. Those three are working. We're really working really hard to get everything up and running. So that's just going to be the $1,700 would be just budgeted for their overtime. Okay, next we're going to discuss the project summary and benefits. Okay, project summary and benefits. In short, the improvements to our search functionality, creating surveys, and outsourcing a new software design and audit team will significantly impact our bottom line. This would free up a lot of our staff so that we would be able to work on more critical projects like client development and recruiting. This ultimately will increase our profit margin and our bottom line. Okay. And lastly, we have this section open up for questions. Does anyone have any questions? Okay, well, I thank you guys for coming in for my presentation today. I hope it was very informative. Hope you got everything that you needed. Again, like I said, be on the lookout. Everything will begin to launch shortly. Another update will be sent out this Friday regarding the audit project. And what we're going to keep internal, what we're going to outsource. You will be updated on that Friday. And you guys have a great rest of your day. And thank you for coming in with.